Hey y'all, how's it going? It's March 13th. It's Saturday. You can see on the wall over there, it's just a little over 40 out here. It was about 38 when I got out here on the wall. A little cooler today, but the sun's out. The ground is thawed. There's no more frozen ground. All the snow is gone. I put the snow shovel away. As far as I'm concerned, winter's over. No matter what the harbinger of bad news brings, I don't care what the weather forecast says about doom and gloom and snow. I'm not buying it, okay? I was out here yesterday, messed around with Dick Tracy's wing element for the PVP. This is the one that was all busted up that we glued back together. We put the structural foam on the inside just to hold the filler in place. So the adhesive. We put the adhesive in there, glued it all down, glued it back together. We showed you all that. Just now doing the cosmetic finishing of the little dimples and cracks that were in it, fixed all that stuff. We make our own filler. It's the polyester resin, right? That we put, literally that's filler, folks. Let me show you how crazy thick this is. We take the, look, it's not even moving, right? It's not even moving. It's some dense stuff. We take old grindings. When we grind on fiberglass, especially if you're doing a repair, right? You got to do a bunch of grinding away the old stuff. I collect all that stuff. Why throw it away, right? The stuff that's on the floor I don't pick up, but anything that's on the bench or inside the part, I'll try and with a brush pick it up and keep it. And you mix that grinding with resin, and you get a nice filler. I know you say, well, you can go buy that Duraglass or Tiger Hair. Yeah, but that stuff is still not made with good quality resin. It's made like Bondo. And I don't know if you know, you should never use Bondo on fiberglass, first of all, to fill or fix anything. Because when it gets in the sun, that Bondo shrinks and swells like crazy. It's auto body filler. It's not made for composite, okay? You use the right stuff. If you can't get the right stuff, you make it yourself. I also have microspheres that we mix with resin to make filler as well. But this is super cheap. And to fill a hole, we had a hole here. We had some cracks and stuff that we chased around a little bit. I'm sorry with the camera. But we got all that going and got it fixed up yesterday. And then went ahead and put a little self-etching primer on it. 2 or 3 good heavy coats, man, before we went in for the night. Before we went in for the night last night. And then came out this morning and just scuff sanded it at first just to get the knock the outside edge off. Then we wet sanded it. And we wet sanded it down, and it looked 99% good. We had a couple little tiny little spots here, a couple little spots right in the end where the 2 plies come together. We glued it, little air hole. So we just took some Bondo, barely enough to cover the tip of your finger, and I just spread it in there with my finger. It's nothing. Little spot here, and we're going to take 99% of that back off. So we'll let this sit. To the end of the day, we'll knock this down again real quick. We'll just hit those spots like we did last night with the self-etching primer again. Tomorrow we'll come out and just quick wet sand them. We'll get that thing hung up, and we'll spray flat black base, and then we'll put clear coat on it, and we'll call Dick Tracy done. Bringing you another video, what I've been working on the last couple of days while Rich has been welding the spindles, the stub axles on the spindles. I got one of them back yesterday. He's bringing the other one back today. He had trouble with the working the fixture, and he didn't want to set it up wrong, so he brought everything home. I reset it and sent him back with it yesterday. So that's it. We'll bring you some more of this as we get her done. We're talking paint and clear coat, piece of cake, right? We'll bring you some more in just a few minutes about what we've been working on with the zip cart and how we're probably going to step away from this project for a little while. Because we've got some things we got to wait on. But that's in the next video. Stick around. God bless. See y'all. Hang in there.